Alright friends, let's dive into this video where I'm super excited to share a trend indicator that I think totally outshines the classic moving average. Why? Well, this gem can show you the trend on two different time frames at once, something a moving average just can't pull off. But hold up, that's not even the best part. What? To really see why this indicator is a game changer, we're going to put it to work and pair it with another tool to show you how awesome it is at spotting trends. If you're loving this, don't forget to smash that like button. Let's jump in. So, to get this indicator on your chart, head over to your go-to trading platform. I'm rocking TradingView for this one. If you don't have an account yet, there's a link down in the description. Pop open the 15-minute chart for GBP JPY. Then hit the Indicators tab to hunt down this bad boy. Type in LNL Trend System by this amazing author. This thing works like a charm on any asset and any time frame. Now let's break down what makes this indicator tick. First up, there's this line that flips between red, green, and gray, called the LNL trend line. It's like a quick snapshot of the trend's direction, built on a 13-period EMA. When it turns red, that's a bearish vibe. Green? Bullish all the way. If it goes gray, you're looking at a pullback in the trend. And if that gray sticks around, it's probably a flat or ranging market. Easy, right? Plus, there's this trend cloud that hugs the LNL trend line pretty closely. Next, we've got something called trend bars. These are basically the color shifts this indicator slaps onto your candles. It's pulling data from the Directional Movement Index or DMI and the Average Directional Index or ADX to confirm the trend. Red bars scream bearish, green bars shout bullish, and gray bars? Yep, that's a non-trading or ranging market. Then we've got these red and green dots trailing the price called the stop lines. They're plotted just above or below the price and act like a stop-loss markets for your trades. These lines use ATR deviation math mixed with the price's position relative to the 13-period EMA, creating a guide for where the price might explode or reverse. So beyond setting stop losses, they can also hint at spots for price reversals or trade entries. We'll dig into how to trade with this in a bit, but first, let's tweak some settings. Double-click the indicator to open its options. Now, what makes this thing so much cooler than a regular EMA isn't just what we've covered. It's got a hidden superpower. Check out the HDF mode. Switch it to manual and set the HDF aggression to 120 minutes. This means it's tracking the trend on the 2-hour time frame alongside the 15-minute one. Nothing's changed on the chart yet, so let's turn on the Show HDF Cloud option. For the strategy I'm showing you today, we don't need the top line, so let's turn that off. Hit OK, and boom! Now, in spots like this, you can see the 2-hour GBP JPY chart is in a bullish trend. Over here, the 15-minute chart is bullish too. If I'm jumping into a trade here, I'm feeling pretty darn confident it will pay off because the trend's bullish on both time frames. Then, over here, both the 2-hour and 15-minute charts are bearish. If I've got other signals lining up for a short trade, I'm all in, knowing the trend's got my back on both time frames. You might be wondering, what other signals are we talking about? Well, a trend indicator alone won't cut it for placing trades. It just shows you the direction. We need another tool for entry confirmation, and we'll add that soon. But first, let me introduce you to my trading family at Bybit.
Welcome aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success.
Alright, back to our setup. The extra indicator we're adding is a buy-sell tool called the Twin Wedge Filter. My absolute favorite on TradingView. We're sticking with the default settings, so no tweaks needed. Now, you're probably thinking, how do we actually take long or short trades with these two indicators? Let me walk you through it. For a long trade, you want a bullish trend on both the 15-minute and 2-hour time frames. That means the HTF trend cloud, the LNL trend line, and the trend candles all need to be green. And no, I'm not talking about TradingView's default green candles. I mean the indicator turning those candles green. When all three are green, you've got a rock-solid bullish trend. Then you wait for a long signal from the twin range filter. When that signal pops up on a green candle, with everything else green too, you're ready to go long. Set your stop loss below the latest string low and aim for a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio for your take profit. I tested this setup and it was a winner. Scroll forward and here's our next trade, a short one, the opposite of long. The HTF trend cloud was red, showing a bearish 2-hour trend. The LNL trend line was red too, confirming the 15-minute bearish trend. The candles? Also red, thanks to the indicator signaling a strong bearish move. Then, the twin range filter dropped a short signal. We went short, set the stop loss above the recent swing high, and targeted that same 1 to 1.5 risk-reward ratio. Another profitable trade. Keep it scrolling and you'll spot another short trade. Same deal, everything was red, the short signal hit, and it paid off. That's one way to trade with this indicator, but there's another approach. You can add something like the breaks and retest indicator. With this, you spot a break of a support or resistance level, then wait for a retest label to appear. If the trend's bearish on both the 15-minute and 2-hour time frames, you take a short trade. Simple but powerful. Overall, the LNL trend system is a super versatile tool. It blends multiple features to help you nail down trends, find trade setups, and read market conditions across different time frames and asset types. You want to check it out? It's right there on TradingView. That's it for this video, folks. If you found it helpful, hit that like button and consider subscribing for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.